What's up guys, welcome back to AV Geek 147. Today we're flying on American Airlines from PHL to MIA. Like always, let's get our travel on. There are many AA Admirals clubs, and PHL, the one that I went to, offers great seating and some good food. Here is our Boeing 757. I personally have never flown on one, so I'm super excited. Today we're in business class seat 2F. It's a fully flat bed. The business class configuration on this aircraft is 2-2. There are no TVs on the 757 and 767. Sometimes they will offer you iPads. Right behind the window there is a storage compartment. There's a cup holder and a USB charger outlet. The armrest nearest to the window can be raised or lowered. There is also a footrest for when you are in fully flat bed or just want to extend your feet. Then there's a storage compartment, and right above that is the device holder. In the window seat, the tray table is located to your left. It is hidden in a little compartment which you can pull out. It comes out just like this, very easy. You can leave it folded like this for a drink, but then you can unfold it for your meal. It is very big. Goes back in just as easy as it came out. Right next to the tray table, you'll find a headphone jack for the in-flight entertainment or in-flight music. Then, right above that in the middle console is your seat controls. I was also given a hot towel. So here you can see that by pressing the buttons, the bed will transform. There are two presetted buttons. One is the flatbed, and the other is the taxi and takeoff position. You can also control the individual parts of your flatbed by using the seat controls. One note that I did want to add was that I did not record the 757 safety card or any of the other information cards. Sorry about that. Here I am in the flatbed position. As you can see, I have 2 to 3 windows. If you decided to go into the fully flat position, right behind your bed, there are more seat controls. There's a little light that has 3 settings. The light can also swivel around. Not that much, but it's still good. Like I said, there are no TVs, so I connected to GoPro INFLIGHT and used the app. I just skipped the video really quickly. Once you find your movie, you can click on it, click the watch, click which app you have. I clicked Go. Click watch, click open, click on it, there you go. Before the meal, I got Coke Zero and some nuts. There was bread, a salad, chicken, and asparagus. It was all very, very good. I thought this was a nice picture. Tonight's flight obviously landed at night. I want to say thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.